In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily blur a video in Capcut. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Capcut app. Then tap at New Project and select a video you would like to blur. After that, hit Add to add it to that project. That's where we can find our video roll. And to blur that video, the entire video or some part of the video, first off, you need to head over to Effects, then Video Effects. It will show you the list of different effects here. At the very first position at trending tab, we can easily find Halo Blur. We can just tap at that effect to use it in our video. However, to get more blur effect, we can search for them. Just enter blur here. It will show you it will show you more blur effects, and then you can select one to use in your video. I'm gonna use Halo Blur to show you how it works. And then once we have selected an effect, we need to tap at cancel and then check mark. So we need to head over to that video track and to basically our timeline, where we can configure for how long time we would like to blur that video. So we need to drag it left or right so that we can select the exact part of the video we would like to blur. And also, while that effect row is selected, we can also configure it. So to do that, just hit right here where it says adjust, and then we can configure speed and intensity. Intensity means the intensity of blur effect. We can make it lower, just like that, or we can increase it to maximum in that way. Also, we can change speed. And then once we are happy with the result, we need to tap right here. Then we can continue using Capcut app. We can continue editing the video, and once you are ready to save it, just hit right here at share, and that will immediately save this video to the camera roll. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.